3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name's Alan from Discount Auto Tunes. I do the window tinting for Richie here. We have carbon film, ceramic film, light, medium, and dark for your preference. Comes in clear for your super hot rods like this one, so they can see your interior. Blocks out all the heat, UV, keep you cool. Ceramic keeps more heat out. It's optically clear, doesn't interfere with your electronics. With the technology, it doesn't have to be dark like it used to be to keep the heat out. It can be clear, still keep more heat out. Here we have a 68 Cutlass, has limousine black on it. Give it that aggressive muscle look. This one has a 70% clear all the way around. As you can see right in the car, and it gives you all the protection and excellent visibility at night. You can see we have a repeat customer here. We did the window tinting a couple months ago. Now they're here for some electronic upgrades. We do lighting, stereo, anything you need, power windows. Even if it's a turn signal bulb, we could take care of it for you. Come on down and see us at Discount Auto Tunes.
Right.